Hello folks, welcome to Lester's Custom Truck Shop. John K. This is your LC998v200. Wanted to show you some things inside the radio. I've upgraded the voltage regulator buffer filter to a 3300 microfarad 25 volt cap. Also upgraded the voltage input capacitor to a 3300 microfarad 25 volt. They were both 1000 microfarad, so I tripled their capacity. I've installed the 15 kilohertz wide 10.7 IL filter. And what this guy does is give you better adjacent channel rejection, cuts down on bleed over. Okay, upgraded the first RF amplifier for you to a 2SC2999. And again, this radio also has the Schottky diodes in it already installed, so I didn't have to change those out. Looks like only the new 2547s and 959s and 979s, that series, are coming with the green stripe germanium diodes now, the CB models. But all the 10 meter radios appear to have the Schottkys in there. Okay. You do have dual finals in this radio. I've set the bias voltage up correctly to make sure that they don't blow up. Alright. And here is your clarifier harness. You can see I put heat shrink over the end of the connector. The connector and the end of the harness are plugged in together. I got heat shrink over the end of it, and I'll dress all these wires up here, right here shortly. I was just centering up the clarifier, making sure that it slid up and down the same amount. And more to come. Okay, John. I wanted to show you the cabling. I got all dressed up. And got all the cables down the side all tied back up. Got the echo box mounted back up. And right there is your connector for the old clarifier control. Everything's still in place. If you decide you want to go back to that, you just unsolder that 3-pin connector and take the jumper out, and then insert this connector right back in that spot and solder it up, and these two are back working again. Okay. I may figure out something to do with these later on. Let me turn down this radio. I may figure out something to do with these later on. If I do, I'll let you know. This radio has, it's got controls for everything. It's got power, RF mic, echo time, even a dimmer control on it. So, haven't figured out anything else to use them for yet. But if I do, I'll let you know. Okay. Let me get the face on it and the covers on it, and I'll show you the output power. Yeah. I'm picking up stations on this radio. I tell you what, these things got excellent receivers. I'm on the lower side of channel 38. On the K antenna, I've got a 5-foot piece of RG Mini X coax going from that antenna switch down to my K antenna right there. Okay, see that little short cable that comes out of there? That comes out of my B and K. Well, actually, there's a short piece that goes to my counter, then from the counter to the B and K, another little short piece. And then a 5-foot piece that goes from my antenna switch, that one right there, through the meters. It goes through those two guys down to the K antenna. And picking up stations on 38 off of the sealed up coax cable. These things have hot receivers in them. Alright, we're going to do some power. I'm on the lower side of channel 38. We'll start right there. Both pickup units have 100 watt slugs in them. Meter on the left is average power. Meter on the right is peak. I have the peak meter set on ×5, so we're reading on the middle scale. All the way over to the right is 500, 400, 300. Okay. Hello audio 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Audio hello audio 1 2 3. About 350 watts peak and over 100 average. Now I'm going to switch to AM. Hello audio hello 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. About 50 average and about 350 peak. I'll tell you what. Oh, and I didn't have the power turned all the way up. Well, sir, it didn't like much, I don't think. Audio hello audio 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Audio. Boy, I'll tell you what. These things they're taut. Okay. All right, more to come.
Hey, 1212, 161, both of you gentlemen making a good trip as usual, no doubt about it. Top of the day this Sunday afternoon, 455 waving.
Okay. John K. Here's your LC998v200. I just got some new chrome knobs in, so I'm trying a chrome knob on this one. You can see it's knurled, so it's easy to grab and turn, and it's just about the right size. It's not too big, it's not too small, and I put it where that the set screw is at the 12 o'clock position when you're on center slot. And the radio's been on for about 3 hours, and it's still centered up. Okay. Alright, I've already showed you the power on it. You could see the receive. So it's finished. John, I sure hope you enjoy your new radio. It was my pleasure to build it for you. 73s, everybody.